Finally made it to Jumpman, LA. 20 minutes looking for parking, walked like 8 blocks. This is Jumpman, LA. If you're a Jordan fan, this is where you have to stop by. Better Jordan collection than pretty much anywhere else. Those are pretty much all the ones, the mids, lows, and highs. And this place is run by Footlocker, so they do have sales just like every other Footlocker. You'll see the same price tags and everything. But yeah, look at that, $100 for the mids right here. These lows are down to $100, $100 for these suedes as well. Mids down to $110, $120 for these right here. $90 for the comforts, $90 for these right here. $120 for the highs. Glow greens going for $150. And the latest release, that's the biggest hang tag I've ever seen. It's actually metal. Wow. Wow. These are $180 for these. I never even seen one of these released. I have not been paying attention to releases lately. But $180 for these bad boys. Still got the black cement 2s right here. Christmas lows right here go for $120. They put the 2-3s? The 2-3s on the retro wall? Wow. Pythons right here still go for $175. $150 for the Fear 3s. $2 for the 5s. 6 lows right here? Those are the PSG lows, right? PSG lows. Haven't seen these in a cool minute. 2 bills for these bad boys right here. $200 for the 6s right here. The Olympic 6s. Black Oreos right here. UNC 9s. I think these are what, $20 off or something? $180. Space Jam 11 low still. Got these bad boys $190. I haven't seen these anywhere. And the latest release, these just released today. And yeah, these look way different than they looked online. I swear the patent leather, has the patent leather been getting like thinner and thinner? I don't know. It feels like it, but who knows. $190 for these. 11 low IEs, $130 for those. 13s. I got a few Team J's at the end right here. And they do have hoodies right here, as well as a few shorts on sale. I've already eyed one of the hoodies, that's why I put $40 for these shorts. I don't know what the hell. These just look like swimming trunks right here. So do these. These are going for $40, normally $55. Got some of the, I think they call these what, the diamond shorts. It's like an interesting material. It's not fleece, but yeah, it's $50 for those bad boys. They got a t-shirt right here going for $30, normally $42. And then they got these hoodies, normally $120, they're $35.97. And I really want one. It does have the embroidered Air Jordan label on the front. The back it does have, well, I don't know what the hell that is. I have no clue what that is. Got a little patch on the left. I guess that's who designed this. Okay. Yeah, and I see a bunch of large XLs right here. I'm gonna see if they have a medium, because these are freaking dope, dude. These are dope. Just the quality, it's not super thick, but I really like the material. I like the material they used. All right, they don't have any mediums. Maybe that's a good thing, because last thing I need is more hoodies. I got way too many hoodies. But yeah, $37. They do have plenty of larges. I guess I should show you guys the display right here, because they got Jordans that they don't have over there. Got the yellow ochres right here. What the price on these? Still $180. Okay, $180 for those. Got the low SEs right here. Is this glow in the dark? Never realized that. Exquisite leather. Got highs, got lows, got the Baron 1 lows right there. These SEs, these are down to 100. These mids, these are on sale for 100 as well. Do got the reimagined Royals right here. And yeah, man, why is this one a little, it's a little dirty, huh? Yeah, what the hell? $130 for those. Never seen that logo. He's like going so fast. Has a little trail. All right, that one is $125. And the AJKOs right here, $150 for these canvas Jordan 1. They got some Zion 3s, PEs right here. Well, as some Luka 2s. Is that Lethal Shooter? He had a PE from Instagram. Then Zion 2s. These are actually fire, dude. These are hella dope. Holy cow. Is that Frank Nitty? Is that the Frank Nitty that we know? They also have a women's section right here, as well as kids for the retros. Still got the Jordan 1 Low OG, UNC to Chicago, and then got these right here. I feel like I haven't seen these at too many spots. I feel like they're sold out almost everywhere else. 115 Jordan 1 Low OG. This is in a women's. These are dope. Material's still pretty whatever, but dope. What the hell are these? I've never seen these before. Got metal. Ooh, got little metal accessories on it. That's definitely interesting. $135 for these. Got them in green as well. And they got the super expensive Jordan 1 lows, and the material seems whatever, dude. But these still go for $225. That is crazy. $225 for Jordan 1 lows. We got some gold metallic ones right here with the tumbled leather. $100 for these kids. No, these are women's. And then a couple women's exclusives right here. The 3s. Is this women's or is this grade school? These are women's, right? Yeah, I did skip these bad boys right here. That's way different. Wow. I never noticed the back right there. And then the tag is also hella interesting. Yeah, it's like way interesting. They're both. One's right side and one's, I guess, the transparent side, inverse. And I got what are these, the peach ones or whatever the hell these are. These are interesting because it's not tumbled leather. It's just not bad, but I'm just used to seeing tumbled leather on 3s. And got some canvas ones. No, this isn't canvas. Is it nylon? What is it? I don't know what material this is. Some sort of synthetic material. But they got these. I did have a chance to pick up my size for like 100 and something. Maybe I should have done it. Maybe. I don't know. Then got these high suedes right here. Oh my goodness. Material is just ridiculous on these. Ridiculous. Wow. Just so soft. So soft. And then satin lining. But yeah, these are what, two bills for these. And they got kid sizes right here. Nothing crazy. Nothing we haven't seen anywhere else. But the women's section right here, as well as the men's, that's just crazy. And then they do have every original Jordan retro, starting from the 1s to the 3s. Got the 4s, playoff 13s right there. Even got some of the ones that people don't really fall in love with, all the way up to, I think that's a 30. Had to count them all, because even I don't know a lot of the later ones right there. Damn, I feel dumb for not grabbing those. What those come out in, 2018 last, I think. Really wish I had a pair of those. And these, I kind of wish I had them, but I wasn't trying to drop what they come out for, 300? What are they, 300-400 when they came out? In the case and everything, the yellow ones, that's crazy. Got a Shiekh. This location's one of the better ones. This spot does have that dope Jordan section right here with the hoop right there. Also has a basketball court, as well as the crowd from the dunk contest. Older folks know which dunk contest I'm talking about. And this spot, like most Shiekh, still has a ton of Jordan retros. We saw all the retros at Jumpman LA though. I believe this is the kids, this is the women's section. And this spot still does have the lattes. I did not see these over there. But yeah, these are the women's, going for $160. And the Gore-Tex 6 is right here. Did not see these over there as well. I think this is one of the best KD colorways right now. These are the KD 17s, the latest model. This is just dope, dude. I think this is the best one by far. Yeah, I think these are 160. Yeah, 160. Yo, and look at these LeBrons. $80. These are down to $80. LeBron 21s. Obviously 22s are gonna come out soon, but wow, I can't believe they're $80. These are down to 150. Okay, these were 225. I swear I thought some of the LeBrons that came out, the later ones, were 225. These are the two that are 225. We got the books right here as well. And these are on sale, 110 for the books. Wow. Then they got the other colorways of the KDs right there. Have I seen this colorway? I don't think I've ever seen this colorway. I don't think I have different materials on this one as well. Okay, these are 120. Apparently they've been out for a while. As well as these three. I don't think I've ever seen these. 150. Oh, 150 for that one. 120 for that one. Vomeros, got these going for 120 each. These Cortezes also on sale, down to 70. These are going for regular price. The OG nylons right here, $90 each for those. And then these on sale for $55. And they have like a Lakers colorway right here. These are $90 purple. Varsity Maze, okay. And of course I got the black on white and white on black. Both these going for 90. Aluminum foil Air Max 90s, 110 for these. So what, $50 off? 120 for these. These are pretty clean. The gold's not too bad on that one. 110 for these. We've been seeing these on sale everywhere. Got some dunks in the grade school section that I've never seen before, and they're already on sale. They've been out for a while, I guess. $80 for these, so $20 off. And I got both of those. Both of those, I still think both of these look pretty cool. They are going for 90 a piece. I've never seen these anywhere. What the hell? I got F1 jerseys. Leclerc jersey from Ferrari. I've never seen that. These are all huge. Why do they have like the hugest sizes? What the hell? Yeah, this one looks like a large. They're oversized like crazy. Oh, okay. Double XL. That makes sense. $90 for those. That's not bad. I might have to look for one. I don't think my kid likes Leclerc too much though. And then got 574s. This is the rugged right here with the thicker outsole. Cordera up. Also has Cordera on the upper as well. 65 for those. Some 2002 Rs. These are pretty clean. Regular price. Can I get the colorway? Can I get the actual colorway? That's pretty dope. Pretty dope. 140 for those. And they got the Dodgers. I just saw this for the first time yesterday. $60 for the Dodgers Crocs right here. And then I guess they're coming out with more and more of the Chester Cheeto. Oh, it's a Carrots collab. Chester and Carrots collab. Is that what that is? Or is that not Chester Cheeto? Is that just a Carrots collab? I don't know. I'm confused. $45 for those t-shirts right there. They got a long sleeve polo and a hoodie as well. I was wondering why Chester Cheeto was green. I guess that's not Chester Cheeto. Is that a PlayStation collab? They have a PlayStation collab with Puma, I guess. $40 for that t-shirt. Okay. And they do have a few Yeezys. You guys saw on social media, they blew them out to like up to 70% off some of the Yeezys. That was kind of crazy on the Yeezy website, or on the Adidas website. And then got a Footlocker next door. And have all kinds of sales on 574s. I can't wait to go back to the Footlocker outlet. I'm gonna have to go later today because I'm so curious to see if they've expanded their collection there. Got 2002 Rs going for $100. I believe these normally go for $140, so $40 off all these. Got some 480s right here, and these look different than the ones I saw at the skate shop. These look interesting. Wait, they got more and more of the 574s. Oh, they did have these on sale last time. And I was saying, hey, I wonder if that the Footlocker. We're gonna have to find out. We have to find out today. Some clean colorways. And I really like the silhouette. Just super clean. I think I have 3 pair of 574s at home. These are nice. These are suede right here. Damn, I thought I was done. They still got 2 more on the bottom. Some decent suede ones down here. It's weird because at some Footlocker locations these are on sale, but some they're not. Kind of weird. But got the Simpsons rivalries right here. These are the Bart Simpsons. These are the Itchies right here. Or is this Scratchy? I don't know. Whichever one that is, because I think the cat has his own. And then we got Homer right here peeping at me like a creep. Stop being creepy, fool. Stop being creepy. Go back into your bush. $100 for these. And then got these for $60 right here. These are clean as hell. Super modifieds right here, going for $60. I had to look at the label on these. I was like, I don't remember what these are called. Then got the Cheetos collab right here. The RSX Cheetos collab. Go for $80. Got Flaming Hot, so if you kick someone in the chest, I guess it'll leave a flaming hot. I don't think it works out. But yeah, not bad. $80. Those haven't gone on sale yet. The suedes and then the scoots. We've been seeing these on sale as well for $90. You missed out on the Kobe Grinches. Grab a pair of these for $80. These ain't bad, dude. These ain't bad. Footlocker Outlet did have these for $20. That's kind of crazy. That was just crazy. Oh wait, there's the cat one. The top 10 with, I need to look this up so I can tell you guys. That's either itchy or scratchy. I have a feeling that's scratchy, right? Because mice, they don't really scratch. So yeah, that's scratchy right there. Got itchy right there. Women's section do have plenty of sales with the Jordans. Not too shabby, not too shabby. We've seen these way cheaper at the outlets and a few other spots. Got some Stewies that are on fire right here, going for $60. That's Scrubs. I haven't heard that song in forever. But yeah, I do got some of the suede XLs right here in the women's. Dunk Low Twist. Got plenty of those on sale. This one's going for $80. That's not bad. That's not bad for some of the kids. They got crease protectors. Y'all mess with crease protectors? $13 for these. Crease preventer right here. I don't think I've ever used any of these. I just get like better shoes that don't crease as much, I guess. And in the kids section, look at this. Dunks for $60. That color is wild though, man. Like, really? Really? But yeah, I do got Air Max 90s right here. Some of the kids' colors tend to be pretty crazy, but $60 not bad. $70 for those right there. Yeah, I got plenty of sales, but nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy. Yeah. All right, let's go. Hit up some more stores, man. Here's a little sneak preview of what's coming in the next video. Does that even make sense? I don't know. See ya. This is the downtown walking experience. I've seen multiple people just passed out on the floor. Damn, and so many of you voters, man. So many California voters just think helping people with housing, that's gonna help, huh? Like, come on now, dude. So many people strung out on drugs and shit. That's crazy. That's crazy. Got nice kicks. They had all kinds of crazy stuff last time. They still got the emeralds. What the hell are these? Emeralds? Green? What the hell? This is crazy. Called Non-Factory. I think it's a skate shop. Nike SBs here, which is pretty dope. Alright, I did pick one of those up. I did. I grabbed my size. Little Tokyo Shoe Palace. I guess this is their Jordan sales section right here. Okay.